I decided to do the Cambridge Executive MBA for the focus on entrepreneurship and soft skill. I'm from scientific and engineering background, and I wanted to move on to leadership role. And soft skills are crucial for this kind of role, and I think this program is really ideal for this kind of to acquire this kind of skill.
I picked Cambridge for the reputation of entrepreneurship and biotechnology. I sold my mining company 2 years ago, and I analyzed where I wanted to be, and I believe that biotechnology is the future. It's the future, and I wanted to be there at the heart, and where else would be better but University of Cambridge.
I chose Cambridge because my work is a little bit connected to academia and to healthcare. So basically I wanted to share the same place and to study and to collaborate and to think on the same premises where Watson and Crick developed their DNA, where Tennyson wrote his poems, or where Isaac Newton wrote Principia Mathematica. So the genius loci of the place is, I think, the most important thing for me. I can get from Cambridge collaboration, network, new ideas, and first and foremost, the possibility to think out of the box.
Aequa Sciences was conceived during the first week of the program orientation at Cambridge. And I remember back then that we had a nice conversation about how Alzheimer's is very real and it's out there, and how much we wanted to attack this disease.
I think during the orientation week, the first week in Cambridge, the first week of the program, I met actually my today's business partner, at the breakfast. I think the first day we were together and we discussed about Alzheimer's disease, the impact of that disease on today's world. We also discussed new technology like machine learning, data, availability of data, machine learning could be leveraged to actually improve the life of million people. And I think from that day, the first day actually, this idea kind of developed itself over the months. And yeah, today we form a new company that will try to address that issues. We find the network some alumni that work for very large pharmaceutical company. So we get in touch with those people, and they really welcome our request, and they help us to reach the perfect person to help us. And now it's really moving forward.
Alzheimer's disease affects our memory. It means that memory is very important for our life. If we will lost memory, we don't know who we are. We don't recognize our family. We don't know what we will do. Most important in our life is memory, because this is our brain, our mind, our life. The life is memory.
Aequa Sciences is not only a venture, it's not only a business, it's a scientific platform to develop a new screen opportunities for Alzheimer patients. Not only patients, but their families and people at high risk. Problem with Alzheimer's is that there is no cure, but it's affecting million and million of people. So our strategy is to find people at high risk of getting Alzheimer's 5-10 years prior of outburst of disease, and basically to starting treating them before the disease actually came into life. It will be cheaper, it will be more effective, and I think we will be able to save millions of quality of lives.
Aequa Sciences is one of those conceptions that came to mind after discussing with my then future partners, now partners, of how I believe we can tie in artificial intelligence with healthcare. And Alzheimer's is such a crazy and very, very sad disease to acquire. I believe that we should group up and take this fight together. And what better way but to build into our networks or tap into the networks that we are given in the cohort.